Hello there, and welcome to Corey Loses, where today we're going to be doing a quick look at an upcoming series for the channel. So for those of you who may not be aware, in addition to running this channel, I'm also the lead developer of a mod called Thrawn's Revenge for Empire at War. So in our last version, throughout development of 2.2, I did a bunch of preview playthroughs as all the different factions for the mod. So basically to cover sort of what's already changed, what's going to be changed, what our major goals are, sort of show where we are in development, basically anything like that. And so that's going to be continuing with 2.3. We're going to be restarting that soon. I put a poll up on Patreon recently where the patrons picked Eriadu Authority as the next faction we should play, and the Art of War as the next Galactic Conquest we should play. So that's what we're going to be doing, Eriadu Authority and the Art of War. So that'll probably be starting in about 2 weeks. I'm currently moving, so everything needs to be set up first, and it'll give me a chance to get some other work done on the mod. We're still doing the Empire campaign playthrough from late game, and also Pegasus Chronicles, but that'll be done soon, and then we'll start Eriadu Authority. But what this video is for is, one of the things we do for the channel is for the patrons, as a way to thank them for their support, I basically let them choose a ship for the playthrough out of the faction's roster, and it gets named after them, so I code in a special version of the ship for them throughout the playthrough. And it's not as released as part of the final mod, but it's there for the playthrough. So we'll have named ships as a way to get people involved from the community, and just a way to thank people for their support. So for those of you who may not have heard of it before, Patreon is a sort of a voluntary subscription service. So it's a way to support different content creators in a world where YouTube ad revenue, for example, can be a little bit less reliable. So there's plenty of YouTubers on it, a bunch of different artists and stuff. But yeah, so each channel tends to have its own reward tiers. For this channel, one of the main rewards is throughout the playthroughs, there's different ship types associated with it, with each reward tier. You can see it on the screen right now. So these are the ship options for this playthrough. Ships and ground vehicles, actually, this time we're adding. So basically, they pick what they want. They pick the name they want with the ships. You can also pick the fighter loadout, and then I code that in, and that's what we use for the playthrough for some of our units. And I understand that not everyone may be able to support the channel in that way, or may not want to. That's totally understandable. This is just a way for me to give back to the people who essentially make it possible for this channel to be my full-time job. So once a year, or that's the goal, we're also going to do the community challenge playthrough, where we have a limited number of units picked by all the different viewers and patrons, so everyone can have a ship named after them, but that is a ton of work, and so we're not going to do it super often, but that's another thing that we do. So anyways, if you are interested in getting in on that, and you want to check out the link in the description that sort of goes over more detail on how it works, that's down in the description. But we are going to be starting this, like I said, in about 2 weeks, so thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you're looking forward to the previews restarting on the channel, and I will see you next time. Thanks for all your support, whether you're patrons, viewers, whatever. I'm really looking forward to getting back into full development again, so this should be fun. Bye, everyone.